Today, we're going to be making pine cone animals, more specifically, a pig and an owl.
So for today's craft, you're going to be needing 2 pine cones, your scissors, school glue, some markers, your googly eyes, construction paper, pink, brown, and orange, and a pink pipe cleaner. So for today's craft, we're going to start out by making the piggy. So to make the piggy, you're going to need your pine cone, your Sharpie, your school glue, your pair of scissors, your googly eyes, pipe cleaner, and your pink sheet of paper. So for step 1, you're going to draw a small circle on the sheet of your paper. Step 4, you're going to make the pig's ears. So for step 6, you're going to glue all your paper stuff to your pine cone. So for step 7, it's time to glue on your googly eyes. So for step 8, you're going to be making the pig's tail. So for our second craft, we're going to be making an owl. Things you'll need to make your owl will be your pine cone, your school glue, Sharpie, pair of scissors, pink, brown, and orange construction paper, and then your googly eyes. So for step 2, you're going to be cutting out 2 more circles with your brown paper to continue making your owl's eyes. So for step 3, you're going to be gluing your 2 circles together and then your googly eyes on top. So for step 4, you're going to be making your owl's wings. So for step 5, you're going to be making your owl's beak. So for step 6, it's time to glue everything on. And these are our final products.
And I hope you guys had fun making these. And remember, they don't have to be just an owl or a pig. You can make any animal of your choosing. And I hope to see you next time on
It's Time for Art.